Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Disle, a student of the Brisbane Institute, batch 22. Today I will discuss on non-technical topic, that is introduction of clinical data management. Introduction to clinical data management. Clinical data management is a critical part of clinical research, which involves collecting, organizing, and managing data from clinical trials. Clinical trials are research studies conducted to test the safety and effectiveness of new drugs, treatments, or medical devices. The main goal of CDM is to ensure that the data collected during this trial is accurate, complete, and reliable. When a new medicine or treatment is developed, uh, it must go through several stages of testing before it can be approved for public use. These tests are carried out in clinical trials where data is collected from patients who volunteers to participate. This data includes information such as patient detail, lab test results, side effect, and how the patient respond to the treatment. Managing uh, managing all this data properly is what CDM is all about. The process of CDM start with the design of data collection tools such as case report forms, CRF. These forms are used by doctors and researchers to record patient information during the trial. Today, most of this is done electronically using electronic data capture system, which make the process faster and more efficient. Once the data is collected, it goes through several steps to ensure its quality. The data is checked for errors, inconsistencies, and missing information. This process is called data cleaning. If any issues are found, they are reported back to the site where the data was collected, so they can be corrected. Another important part of CDM is coding. Medical term and medications recorded in the trial need to be standardized so that they can be understood in the same way by everyone. For example, different doctors might use different words to describe the same condition. CDM terms use standard dictionaries like MEDRA, a medical dictionary for regulatory activities, and WHO drug dictionary to make sure the terms are uniform. After cleaning and coding, the data is logged, which means to further changes can be made. At this point, data is considered final and is used for statistical analysis to determine the outcome of the clinical trial. The results are then submitted to regulatory authorities like the FDA or EMA for approval. CDM plays a vital role in making sure that the data from clinical trial is trustworthy. This helps in making informed decision about whether a new drug or treatment is safe and effective. Without good data management, clinical trial can produce misleading results, which can be dangerous for patients. In summary, clinical data management is the backbone of clinical research. It ensures that the information collected from uh, trials is accurate and reliable, which is essential for the development of safe and effective medical treatments. With the help of trained professional and advanced technology, CDM continues to improve the quality and speed of clinical research around the world. Um, After cleaning and coding, the data is locked, which means no further changes can be made. At this point, the data is considered final and is used for statistical analysis to determine the outcome of the clinical trial. The results are then submitted to regulatory authorities like FDA or EMA for approval. CDM plays a vital role in making sure that the data from a clinical trial is trustworthy. This helps in making informed decision about whether a new drug or treatment is safe and effective. Without good data management, clinical trials can produce misleading results which can be dangerous for patients. Clinical data management is the backbone of clinical research. It ensures that information collected from trials is accurate and reliable, which is essential for the development of safe and effective medical treatment. This is all about clinical data management. Thank you.